Hello Techmsafians. In this video I will show you how to connect Dotcoin DTC Mining to Venom wallet. I will also show you a very important update on DTC Mining in which you can do to level up easily and get more DTC coins. So make sure to watch till the end. So let's go. First, open your DTC Mining, use the link in the description, then go to wallet. As you can see, then connect wallet. We need to connect our Venom. Click on connect wallet, then choose Venom mobile app, then Venom wallet. Then wait just a few minutes. Yeah, you can see the request is running. Yep, and it just hit connect. And congratulations, you have connected Dotcoin to Venom wallet successfully. So guys, there's one thing I want to tell you, that is upgrading DTC mining easily. So there is a complete tutorial. Check the link in the description. It will take you step by step on upgrading your DTC mining without having to refer someone. So click on the link and also find the information. And before you leave, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to this channel so that you will be notified whenever I make a new video. Also, YouTube will recommend this video to more people and they will upgrade the DTC mining. See you guys. Let's meet again in the next one. Bye for now.